Hello, I'm going to show you how to make rain cloud using water, some shaving foam, and I've got blue food colouring and red food colouring. So first of all, I'm going to pour the water into my vase. Next, I'm going to spray the shaving foam, and this is the cloud. Right, next, my food colouring. So first of all, I'm going to start off with my red food colouring. There you go. And next, my blue food colouring. And see, look, and the colour is the rain. There. Okay, so all we need is water, some shaving foam, and some food colouring, and I'm going to see if I could put some more. And there, this is my rain cloud using water and shaving foam and food colouring. There. Okay, bye.